Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 32 subject model search record with field and delete by ID in Laravel 12. And this is a series is a tuition classes in Laravel 12, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service, so please contact this +919941599815 anytime. Contact this number. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my project is already run, and this is my localhost PSP. My admin inside this available subject table. This is a subject table. Inside this record is a show. This is a 4 record is available, and this 4 record inside this custom field by is a source is a implementation, and this is my project Gem directory. Inside this st directory in this project. This file is open. This is a list file is open. Resource view admin subject, and this is an index, and inside this is a search bar is a implementation. Let's search start and end, search end. Inside the search start and search end. This is available. This is a ID, name, description, created and updated, and action. This is a available subject list, all successfully available inside this implementation. First of all, this is the same name student. Open student. Inside this index file is open, and this step by step this form is a copy. This form is a copy, and inside this paste here. This successfully paste. This is a paste, and this is a subject. Admin super admin subject and list. Super admin subject and list successfully save file. Let's refresh this page, and 100% inside this implementation good. Let's first of all, this is ID is the same, name is a working. Second is a name is the same here, name is available. This is a list description is a implementation. This is the same name description. Let's step by step write down. First of all, this is ID is a implementation, name is ID. Second is a this is a name. Third is a email is a remove, and this is a text and description. This is a description, and this is a description. This spelling small, same name copy, and this is a description ID description, and this is a name is a description, and this placed already is a description. Same here. This is a created date. This is a created date less implementation, and that database name is available. This is the name ID, name, description. Last is a created date. Same name created date is a implementation created date, and save file. And this is a U implementation. Updated date is a U implementation. Only this is a 4 record is a implementation for search by field. Successfully all available. Let's click this search. Search inside this is ID, name, description, and created date, and this is all field is available. This all field is available in database name, ID, name, description, and created date, and the same name field is available. This is a name is available, name. This is a name is ID. Second name is a name. Name is a description, and last is a name is a this is a name is available. This is a created at. Successfully all implementation. And let's show this route is the same name copy. This is a route. This route is a copy, and web.php open route folder. Inside this 2 file is available, console file.php and web.php. This second file is a web.php open, and this is a route is a find successfully. This is a route is available. The same route is available in subject controller. Inside this index function is available. Subject controller. This is a controller app http controller, and subject controller. Inside this is available. This is a function index function, and this is a get record is a show. This is a get record is a implementation. All this show data. Get record. The subject model. The subject model is open. This is a model. Inside this is a 4 model is available. Inside this second model is a subject model. Inside this is a get record function is available. This is a get record function. Inside this is a implementation. This is a implementation. Let's use request, and this is a close this request. use request successfully close, and this is a not use comment, and this table name is available subject table name. The same name is a table name is a subject table name. Inside this is a implementation, this is a comment, same name is a student inside this available same name, copy all, copy same here, copy and close this, and inside this is a paste here. Only simple name is a sir and the subject name. First of all, this is ID is available, second is a name is available, third is a description. This is a description is available, same name, copy this description and third is a created date. This is last is a created date, same name, copy, and this is a all field is available, same field is a database, same name is available, different not name, only same name successfully paste here. This is all successfully, this is and last is a paginate is a remove, inside this is only get, this is a get is a set, this is last is a get. Save file and refresh this page, click this reset, working fine. This is all successfully. Let's check this is a record is available 4 3 2 and 1. Now let's inside this 9 number is not available, 9 number, so let's search and not available, no record found. Let's again this is a 4 number is available and search, successfully 4 is available. Let's 2 number search, 100% is a 2 number is available, good, and click this reset, the all record is a show, good, working. Next is this is a science, and click this sub name is a search and working, find this sign, and this is other name is search and this is a not available. Let's m math and search, 100% is just available too, this is available math, all good. Let's refresh this page, last is a this is a the search and click this refresh this page and 100% this is a working, and this is a last is a date is a select, this is a 1/6 date is a implementation 1/6 and the same date is a search and this is 100% is a show, good, working. Less different date is a 10 and search, and this is a not available, no record found. Search bar is a successfully field is a implementation. Please write down this is a function, all good. This is as it is, not a change. The second is a implementation, this second is a delete button is available, action inside this is the only button is available, this button. Let's inside this new delete button is a implementation. This delete button is a let's open, this is a subject inside this delete button is available, same name button is same, copy and paste here. Please write down this subject button, same name, copy and paste here and refresh this page, working fine. This is a delete button is available, good, working. Same name, copy and paste here, route means URL is a create URL, paste here and delete, same name, delete. And this is a by ID is a implementation, database ID dot in, this is a value ID, save file. Let's refresh this page, and this is a 2 number is click this 2 number and 100% is a show, 2 is a show, good, working. Let's is a 4 number, this is a third number is a click this 100% third number is a show, good, working, this fine. Let's same name, copy and web.php open, route get, paste here, and this is a ID is a pass here, this is a ID. Subject controller, same name, copy and controller class, and this is a delete, save file, successfully file is a save. Let's copy this name, subject controller, inside this copy this name, and this subject controller inside this new function is a create public function, paste here $id, and this is a echo remove $id and die, save file and refresh this page. this is a show 3 number. Good working. Let's again, this is a 2 number. All good. This is alright. Show, this is a show, and this is a subject model, same name, copy. Inside this is already included, this is a model included, paste here, and this is a find $id and delete. Return redirect back with successful. Let's record successfully delete and save file. Successfully record is a delete, and this is a number if available. This is a record is a delete in database. Let's back button, click this and refresh this page, and this success message file is available. This is a list file. Inside this is the index available, include this message file. This is a message file is a include, and this is all done. And this is any doubt, please contact this errorsolutioncode.com website. Inside we are here to help 24/7. Telegram and Skype, I am always available 24/7. And this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. And this is all lost of video is available. Let's check this. Refresh this page successfully. This is available for. Let's click this third number is a delete. Okay, this is a delete, successfully record delete, and this is 1 2 and 4 available, and 3. Refresh this page, and this is a record is a deleted. Good working. Let's this is a 2 number is a delete, and okay, successfully 1 and 2 available, and this is a 4 number record is a remove. All good. This video is done. Please step by step write down. This is a 2 route is available. This is a available, and this is a model, and this last is this is a file. All successfully good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.